What you have just seen is a mirage. The sport of kings is a lie. In truth, this is horse racing. The typical racehorse is kept locked, alone, in a tiny 12 by 12 stall for over 23 hours a day, making a mockery of the industry claim that horses are born to run, love to run, and a cruelty all the worse for being inflicted upon naturally social, herd-oriented animals like horses. What happens openly in front of a cheering crowd in the name of sport would land a person in jail if done to a dog in the park. Horse racing is subjugation, lip tattoos, nose chains, metal mouth bits. Over 2,000 horses are killed racing or training across America every year. Over 2,000. Death on the track comes in various forms. Blunt force head trauma, cardiovascular collapse, pulmonary hemorrhage, broken necks, severed spines, ruptured ligaments, and shattered legs, occasionally shattered so severely that the limb remains attached to the rest of the body by skin or tendons only. Often, transport is impossible, so the horse must wait in pain, in terror, for the vet to arrive with the pink solution that will end his life. In the greatest betrayal of all, for most spent or simply no longer wanted racehorses, the end comes in racing's singular retirement facility, the slaughterhouse. There, these panicked, terrified flight animals will be shot, slashed, bled out, and butchered so that the industry can reap one final profit on their heads. Horse racing a sport? If not for the gravity involved, it would be absurd. No, horse racing is but exploitation of a weaker species for among the most shameful of reasons: $2 bets. We live in 21st century America. We can, we should, we must be better than this. Please join us at Horse Racing Wrongs, and together we can end this vile industry. The horses desperately need you. Thank you.